Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube playlist upvoting feature. Now in 2026, YouTube's playlist upvoting is a collaborative feature that allows groups of friends or community members to rank the order of videos in a shared playlist based on popularity. Now to enable upvoting on playlists, head to your YouTube, then tap on your profile icon. From there, tap on your playlist. Now, once you're there, scroll a little bit down and you will find an option called Create Playlist. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, tap on this visibility option, then set it to public and enable this collaborate feature. Then type in your title. Now once you have typed in your title, go ahead and create. From there you will find another option to add videos. Go ahead and tap on it, then select your video, and once you have selected and added that specific video, what you can do is head back, and you can also share this link to your friends or your community, all by tapping on this community copy link, or through your messages in your Instagram or even WhatsApp and other various applications. That is how you do it, guys. From there, your community will find this upvote option and downvote option. Now they will be ranking such videos according to their choice. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot in building your YouTube community. And if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.